Through the Auto Orders tab, we can create groups of auto orders for each feature, like Spot, Copy Trade, AFK, Sniper, and Twitter. Auto orders are well explained in our dedicated docs and let us set up strategies to automate some strategies we want to apply to our buy and sell. As for Spot, you can create only one group. So inside that group, there will be the various out orders. To see the whole flow, let's go to Copy Trade and create a group called Test. We can also change the icon, and here we'll have our group. Inside this group, we can create our out order. So based on our strategy, we tweak the different parameters and then create our out order. This out order can be deleted, edited, or we can also edit the group itself, like the name or icon, or delete it. The same logic applies to all features. Creating another order, the process will be the same. For Spot, like we said, you can have only one group, but it works exactly the same way. These out orders, as we saw in the task guide, are also in task creation. So the copy trade out orders will be included inside task creation. We can view individual auto orders, edit them right from task creation, delete them, or create a new group directly while creating a task. The same thing happens in edit, where if we've assigned an auto order, we see it, we can edit it, delete it, or create a new one. This applies to all features.